200 Yami. This is a carbureted V6 Yamaha. Compression's perfect. Leakage. We did a cylinder leakage test. We got about less than 7% on it. It's like brand new. This thing's. Look at these carburetors. They are clean. This thing is really clean. Of course, it runs perfect. We're gonna give it a run here. It's gonna be real loud. Yeah, she's snappy. She's a good runner. Starts right up. You just touch a key. You just put your finger right next to the key and it just... she'll go. We're gonna put everything we can about this engine as far as the serial numbers, model numbers, all that good stuff right on our website and put it for sale real quick here. Thanks for watching.